Hi girls, so we will start play the play from the YouTube, but don't open it from the YouTube because I will comment here, okay? So before we start, the sneeze, as I said for you, is written by Antoine Chekhov, and then Neil Simon took it and rewrote it, okay? So that's why it's written in page 882. It's written from The Good Doctor. What is a good doctor? Good doctor is a big play. يعني it would not only include the sneeze with many sketch is like a small play. يعني it takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So people will not go only to watch 15 minutes play. So they made what they made a big play with many sketches. The big play was called The Good Doctor. The Good Doctor. A part of it is the sneeze. Okay?
See if this appeals to you. It opens in a theatre. It opens on the first night of the new season. It opens with the arrival of those dear devoted patrons of the arts who wave and greet each other in the Grand Salon, commenting on how this one looks and how that one is dressed, scarcely knowing what play they are about to see this evening. With the exception of one man, Ivan Ilyich Cherdyakov. If Ivan Ilyich Cherdyakov, a civil servant, a clerk in the Ministry of Public Parks, had any passion in life at all, it was the theatre. He certainly had hopes and ambitions for higher office and had devoted his life to hard work, zeal, and patience. Still, he would not deny himself this one true pleasure. So he had purchased 2 tickets for the best section of the theatre for the opening night performance of Rostov's The Bearded Countess. Oh, my goodness.
So here we meet our first 2 characters in the story. We meet Cherdyakov, Ivan Cherdyakov. And of course the names will be strange because these are Russian names, okay? Ivan Cherdyakov is a civil servant. He works as a clerk. You know what's a clerk? You know when you go to STC, you meet the clerk there. He works in a clerk in the Ministry of Public Parks. Park, like gardens here in this public parks. Okay? And he has passion in life. And it was the theater. He likes the theater so much. Okay? It's his passion. So Ivan and his wife, okay, he is in the mid 30s, and he and his wife, they are dressed in their best. You know, when you want to go to a party and you dress the best thing you have, but still they do not match the atmosphere around them. Yani, they look weird. Okay, they look out of their elements. It means that they do not belong there. So we can guess that they are what? They are poor? Or, yes, we can guess that. Okay? So he and his wife, he bought tickets in a good seat, for good seats in the theater, and they will go to attend the play. Okay? Okay, so we meet him, Cherdyakov and his wife. They sit on their seats.
As fortune would have it, into the theatre that night came his respected superior, General Mikhail Rasilov, Minister of Public Parks himself.
Good evening, General.
What? Oh, yes. Good evening.
Permit me, sir. I'm Cherdyakov. Ivan Ilyich. This is a great honor for me, sir.
Yes.
Like yourself, dear General, I too serve the Ministry of Public Parks. That is to say, I serve you, who is indeed himself the Minister of Public Parks. I'm Assistant Chief Clerk in the Department of Trees and Bushes.
Ah,
Yes. Keep up the good work. Lovely trees and bushes this year.
So here, Cherdiagov and his wife are sitting, and suddenly a general and his wife, and if you look at the general and his wife, you feel how classy they are, how he's wearing this suit and his wife is wearing this dress, and they seem too elegant. So he is the general, he is the minister, he is his master in the work. So Cherdiakov will find it, wow, it's a great chance to meet his general. So he talks to him, permit me, sir, I'm Cherdiakov, okay, and this is great honor to see you here. While you are reading, girls, while the play is played and you read, you'll find words, as we said, between parentheses. These are stage direction. These are not said in here, are not said in the play. These are written in order. If you will play the play, you use them, okay, to move you. Okay, so he says to him, Cherdiakov said to the general, like yourself, dear, I work in the Ministry of Public Parks. Okay, I serve you. I work in the trees and bushes. Of course, it is funny. And what is trees and bushes in the public parks? So the general will say, oh, okay, yes, keep the good work. Okay, so we finish 882, girls.